I'm not a big believer in the normal ways of thinking of beyond the triple play, because most people said triple play to quad play, and I always felt that now when you add cellular, which is what they were referring to in getting to the quad play, you really add two things. You add mobility and you add personalization. And when you add those, it's not another play anymore, because I think of each play as a revenue stream. It's almost as many additional revenue streams as you want. We could just keep thinking of them on and on and on. There's location-based revenue streams. Plus, there's the normal revenue streams of voice, video, and data, both in a mobile and in a fixed world. So there's at least those six, but there's also many more that this whole idea of mobility and personalization brings. I don't think we really know how that's going to change the world. I mean, we've had some glimpses already, because some areas have done early changes. In fact, even FiOS and other systems have already gone all digital and have seen the effect, where they used to have analog and digital and used to be able to have extra TVs on that system in your home. Now you can't anymore. You can only have a fixed number, and you have to have a box for each one, which is sort of the same sort of situation that we're going to be seeing from a broadcast standpoint. And I think there is confusion that comes about as part of this, and opportunity. And some of the opportunity is for the operators to now take on some of the over-the-air customers that, it's just a natural change point for them, where they're going to have to do something different. Maybe they'll become a telco or a cable subscriber where they hadn't been before. So I think that's a big opportunity. I think obviously there's bigger opportunities with the spectrum that's freed up that we're excited about as a company, and it's huge amounts of spectrum that are freed up based on that. So 2009 and beyond, I think we're in the midst of an exciting journey, because we've really just scratched the surface of this whole world of convergence of mobility and the fixed network. I think there's a huge amount of money to be made based on that convergence. I'm a big believer in Metcalfe's law. And Bob Metcalfe, the inventor of Ethernet, came up with this law that I think is a great thing. We all need to keep in mind that the value of a network is proportional to the square of the number of users. We now have these networks that have a huge number of users. And the users are going beyond just people, and they're becoming things. And I think this is going to impact everything from energy to how we consume content, to how we travel and live our lives. And we're just at the very beginning of this. I think there's a lot of ability for us to do things technically that can really change the way people live, and even the way people affect the environment.